Good day and welcome. I'm going to present to you our tour package. I would like to introduce myself first. I am Hazel Loayon, tour operator of Travel and Tourist. But before anything else, I would like to introduce to you our travel agency. So here our logo. HL Palawan Paradise Tour, explore more, discover more. And our tagline, escape to paradise, explore the wonders of Palawan. So here our mission. So HL Palawan Paradise Tour is committed to providing exceptional travel experiences that showcase the natural beauty and unique attractions of Palawan, while prioritizing customer satisfaction, safety, and sustainability. And our vision is to become the leading tour agency in Palawan, known for our expertise, creativity, and passion for showcasing the province's hidden gems. And also, our goal is to provide unforgettable experiences for our clients while promoting responsible tourism practices and supporting local communities. And here are one tour package itinerary in HL Palawan Paradise. So, with duration of 3 days and 2 nights. For day 1, check-in and rest underground river tour at Puerto Princesa. And for day 2, El Nido Island hopping. Early morning transfer to El Nido, approximately 5 to 6 hours. Island hopping tour to Big Lagoon, Small Lagoon, and Secret Beach. Lunch at a local beachside restaurant. Swimming and snorkeling in the crystal clear waters. And for day 3, El Nido exploration. Visit Nakpan Beach and Big Lagoon. Explore El Nido Town and its local markets. Sunset viewing at El Nido's Beach. And also, don't forget to buy souvenir in Palawan. For more details, kindly contact us via email, messenger, and our contact number. Thank you.
'Cause all we got is right now. So let's slow some time down. These are the good days, these are the good nights. Doing our best and living our best life. These are the ones that we'll look back and say, damn,